What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Miles Morales Spider-Man. Let's begin by drawing the inside edge of the hood. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bring that down towards the right. Now from here, going back to the left side, I'm just going to bend the hood, coming down and then out. Let's round out the edge of the hood, bend that in across the bottom. Now I want to bring this in and then down towards the center of the page. So we're going to come down in an angle, round this out, and then pull that down in the middle. So add that point in the center. Now we're going to move to the inside and draw in the eyes. Let's start with a gap in the center. We're going to draw 2 points, one on the left and then one on the right. Let's go to the point on the left, draw the top edge of the eye. We're going to go up and then bend that out in behind the edge of the hood. And do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's go back to the inside of the left eye. I'm just going to curve the eye coming down, round this out. Now I just want to pull this back up underneath the hood. Going across and then bending that up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Go around and then up. From the edge of the eye, we're going to step out, draw the head. We're going to come down. Just bend this in towards the chin. Let's round out the chin, go out and up on the right. Now I want to trace the eyes along the bottom and top. So let's start on the left. Just going to leave a thin gap all the way around towards the inside. And go up and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the hood starting with that fold. From here we're going to step out. Start by going out. Just follow that curve coming in. I'm just going to pull that down towards that center point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by lining this up. Go around that curve. Come down towards the bottom. And then bend that in towards the center. Let's layer the top of the head in behind that fold. So we're going to step out, bend this in, and then up. And start to round up the head, coming in towards the middle. I'm just going to go all the way across, bring that down towards the right, and I'm just going to bend that out. Now let's go and add that webbing across the face. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, draw a straight line coming down in between the eyes. And I just want to split this off across the bottom. Bend this out towards the left and then the right. Let's move down, add a curve, coming down and then up. From the inside of the eyes, let's add a curve, going out and then down and right side. Let's go underneath the eyes, add another curve, going out and then down. And then from the top of the eyes, bend this up and then out. Now along the top of the head, we're going to add 2 sets of webs, starting right in the middle. Start with a curve coming down and up towards the top of the eyes. Let's go up and add 1 more set, coming down and then out. Let's go down to the bottom of these 2 lines, connected with a curve going up and then down. And then halfway between that line and the center, add another curve. And then from the ends, bend this up and out underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black Sharpie and fill the inside of the hood. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of Miles Morales as Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.